If you can't get an entry ticket, you can enter the park before 6 a.m. or after 5 p.m. when tickets are not required. The park is open 24 hours a day, and entry fees are required always.
So know that ticket entry only affects the Going to the Sun Road. The rest of the million acres of the park is wide open. So you can still go to anywhere else in the park. Know that these areas like Two Medicine or Many Glacier, they are busy. Many Glacier, bunch of construction going on, expect delays. These areas can also shut down because they're busy. We're just so many people, we can only accommodate so many.
Right.
Hi, there are many things you can do in this area. There's a plethora of things. If you go online, you're going to find enough things to do to keep you happy for quite a while.
If you're looking for recreational opportunities around Glacier National Park, the Flathead and Helena, Lewis and Clark National Forests are a great option. They provide somewhat similar recreational opportunities, but a more rugged experience with fewer services. Know that you can go to Forest Service ranger stations for more information, but they are closed on weekends and holidays, so plan ahead.